Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing in and opening account controls because changing language is an account-level preference. Once signed in, click your profile or avatar at the top right. This opens a menu. From that menu, choose Settings to get to Language Options. Make sure you're on the main web interface or official app version because layouts differ. If you see Quick Settings, expand it. These first steps get you where Language Options live so you can take action immediately. Next, navigate the Settings panel to the Language or Interface Language section. This is often grouped with Display or General Settings. Once there, open the drop-down menu and scan the available languages. They are listed by native names to help selection. Choose the language you want. The interface may prompt you to confirm. Make sure to apply or save changes if required, because some systems need an explicit save. After selecting, the UI typically updates immediately or after a quick reload. To finalize, save your change and reload the page or restart the app. This forces the interface to load the new language pack. If the old language persists, log out and back in, which resets session variables. Make sure your app or browser is up to date and clear cache if necessary, because stale files can block translation. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, try a different browser or device. That isolates whether the issue is local or account-related. Then proceed from there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.